So, is it too late to invest into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? No, I believe we are still in the early stages, and I'm going to show you why. But before I go ahead and do that, if you are new to the channel, I recommend hitting subscribe and turning on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, let's go ahead and dive in. So, first of all, I'm just going to go over the market, and then I'm going to show you some snapshots. So, as we can see, the market cap is sat there at 437 billion. Bitcoin at 9,200 and Ethereum at $718. Now I'm going to take you back in time a little bit to January 2016. So you can do this on CoinMarketCap. Just go to historical data and take a look for yourself. Now as you can see, January 3rd, 2016, Bitcoin was sat at $431, Ripple at just over half a cent, Litecoin at $3.49, and Ethereum at 95 cents. And if we scroll down to the bottom of the page, we can see the whole market cap. So let's scroll down. The market cap was only $7 billion. That was in 2016. So let's move over to January 1st, 2017. Bitcoin was $963, Ethereum $8.26, Ripple just roughly about the same. But let's scroll down to the bottom of the page and see the market cap. The market cap jumped from 7 billion to 17 billion within a year. Okay, so let's go to January the 7th, 2018, so this year. Bitcoin was at $17,000, Ripple at $3.19, Ethereum just over $1,000, look, Litecoin $300. And if we go down to the market cap, we can now see that the whole market cap was 823 billion. Now we've pulled back a bit since then, because if we go and have a look now, we can see the prices where Bitcoin is now 9,200, Ethereum 700, Ripple 85 cents. Now I had a lot of friends saying when Bitcoin drops I will go in and purchase some. Now the market has dropped. It's dropped from 800 billion, nearly half, to 437 billion, and all the prices are down compared to their all-time highs, which opens up possibilities to go and buy some. But people won't, because now they believe the bubble has burst and everything's over. But this happens every single year. Now over here is essentially all the bubbles that happened in Bitcoin's lifetime. As you can see, there is a lot of them. And the last one, where is it? The last one was a big one, and we had a price which was really, really overvalued at the time. But with each one of these bubbles brings on more users. So more people find out about Bitcoin cryptocurrency and more people want to use it. Now this correlates extremely well with the growth of the internet. So as you can see, in December 1995 we had 16 million users. In December 1996 we had 36 million users. Now I believe this is where we are currently with cryptocurrency. I think it might be a little bit less than 36 million users, but I think it's round about here that where we are. Now with the internet users doubled every year, and this is what essentially is happening with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Every year and every bull market we enter brings on more users to cryptocurrency. So say this year we have 36 million users, then next year it would be 70 million, year after that would be 147 million, and so on and so on. So within 5 years we would probably have about 500 million people using and adopting cryptocurrencies. Now how can you gauge if a cryptocurrency is actually doing well? Well, it comes down to the transactions on their network, which you can see over here. Now this is the Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin. I'm going to take off Bitcoin Cash. Hold on, let that load for a minute. So as we can see, out of Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin, Ethereum actually has the most transactions on their network. And as you can see, in January, when we were at the height of the bull market, Ethereum was getting a shit ton of transactions on their network. Then as we entered the bear market, we had a massive pullback in transactions, but now as you can see, they're all starting to take off again. Now I just want to show you something quick. I'm going to take off the Litecoin and I'm going to add Bitcoin Cash. Now there's a lot of people saying that Bitcoin Cash is going to take over Bitcoin. But because Bitcoin Cash has lower amount of transactions on their network, I really can't see them taking over Bitcoin. See, as you can see, let's just take off Ethereum for a minute. Now I'm digressing a little bit here, but I just want to show you this. Now that is the blue is the Bitcoin network and the red is the Bitcoin Cash network, and as you can see, the transactions for Bitcoin Cash is nowhere near Bitcoin. Anyway, now knowing that we have bull runs and bear runs, what does this mean for you? Well, it means every time we go into a bear market, like we've currently been seeing the last couple of months, let's go to year to date. So this is here where you should have been purchasing your altcoins or your Bitcoin. You should be seeing value when no one else sees it. Because if we go back here when, no, I think it was this one, when Ethereum was under $1, there wouldn't have been many people taking notice of it because there wasn't much going on with Ethereum. Only people who saw the bigger picture would have been investing in Ethereum at under $1. Same goes for EOS. I was accumulating EOS at 50 cents because I saw the bigger picture and I was seeing value when everyone else didn't see it. And now look at EOS. EOS is at $17.98 and it's still getting started. Now after all these bull runs, quite a lot of people tend to forget about cryptocurrency, but this is when you want to take notice. You want to take notice after the bull run. See, that was the height of the bull run, and then you want to take notice when the whole market is going down and no one is seeing value. Never chase bull markets and buy at all-time highs, because that is how you lose money. Now I know Warren Buffett doesn't like cryptocurrency, but he has got a saying: be greedy when other people are fearful, and be fearful when other people are greedy, which applies very well to cryptocurrency. Now I'm sure I'm forgetting a few more bits that I wanted to talk about, but now we know that every year the cryptocurrency market is pretty much doubling. I've shown you screenshots of this, and the last screenshot was on January of this year, where the whole market was an $823 billion market cap, and now we have retraced. Let me just scroll up. No, it's not going to let me. Hold on. And now the market cap is half of that a few months later, and I expect this to more than double by this time next year. And because of that, there is some buying opportunities out there. But still, you have to do your own due diligence and your own research into something you are going to invest in. Don't rely on other people's knowledge for your investment choices. Now, the best way to invest is to go through the list, find your favorite coins or tokens, do your own research so you're happy to park your money with that coin, and then dollar cost your way in. Well, dollar cost average your way in. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.